Welcome to this video. In this video I'll be teaching us how to install WordPress locally on our computer. So installing WordPress locally, it means you can actually host your WordPress site on your local host machine right on your computer system. You don't need to purchase a domain name, you don't need to buy subscribe to any hosting platform. All you have to do is to use a tool called LocalWP. So let's go to our browser and type in localwp.com, or you can just Google search that and use the link provided by Google. Okay, once you are in this platform, all you have to do is to click on download. But if you have downloaded LocalWP, for those that may have downloaded LocalWP but having issues with installation, or the LocalWP is not functioning well with your system, the common issue is that LocalWP, the update of LocalWP is not compatible with some older version of Windows or Mac operating system. So for you to actually get the version that is compatible with your operating system, you come to under this resource and click on this release, and then you find various version of LocalWP that matches your operating system, right? You can go through all this. Okay, so for those that want to install, just click on download, and then this option will come up for you. Select this the platform you are using. If you are using Mac, go for Mac. If you are using Windows, myself, I'm using Windows, so I just click on Windows. So you can fill this information, but email is required. You input your email address and click on get now. So once you click on get now, the installer file or the installation file will be downloaded. So you locate where you have it on your system and you click for it to install. That LocalWP will be installed successfully on your system, and when that is installed successfully, you get this environment. This is the LocalWP environment, ready for us to create our website. So for us to do that right away, all you have to do is to click on create a new site, and then you just see create a new site. And from here, what you can see here is create from a blueprint. Probably you have a WordPress site that has been developed already, and you have back up the site or exported the site as a zip file. You can actually upload the zip file here, that the one you have created before and you have saved. You can actually use this option, but we are creating a new site. You leave it at this and click on continue. So you enter the name of your website. Let's go. For instance, just let's see tutorial, and then you click on continue. Okay, I think that already exists. Let's click on, let's say it closer tutorial, click on continue. Good. Just use preferred. If you want to do custom will allow you to change the version of the PHP, the web server, and the database information. So if you come here, probably what you want to, the website you want to work on, or what you want to do is not compatible with the latest version of PHP, you can just use any of these PHP version 7.3 there or so. So I'll go with this. So you select the web server you want to use, and then the MySQL database version. So I'll just go with preferred, and then I'll click on continue. Now your WordPress username, I'll just use admin, and then you enter your WordPress password, and then the email address you want to use. But for the sake of this, I'll just leave it as this, and then I'll click on add site. So you can see the site is provisioning. Clarissa tutorial. So it will take a while and the site will be provisioned successfully. Okay, our local our site is added successfully to our local environment, and from here what we have to do, you can see, just click on open site. Let's see how our site looks like. Open site. Okay, so this is our site. It's using the default WordPress themes. So this is how the site looks like. It has not been customized, nothing has been done at all. Let's come back. If you want to have access to the back end of the site, just come back to your local WP and then click on WP admin. WP admin, click on that. Okay, so remember the email, the username and the password we used. Input the username and the password and you click on login, and it will bring us to the back end of the website. Now we can start customizing the website. I love working on a plain environment, so all these I don't want to be seeing them. I'll just come here, screen option, I will just uncheck all this. Okay, so now you can start customizing your site, from the themes to the plugins and other options you want. So if you check on the themes now, you discover that it is using the default WordPress themes 2023. See this, mind blow, a blog about philosophy. So that is the theme it is using. If you want to add your own themes, you can click on add new. To add a new theme, you click on add new, and then you select from all these options. All these themes are popping up because my internet connection is on. Other things I've been doing, you can actually do them without having your internet connection on. Okay, so if you, like I say, if you need other functionality, that is when you have to use your internet connection. So all these themes are popping up from WordPress themes library, and they are popping up for you to select any theme you want to use. So from here you can begin to, already have in mind the kind of website you want to create. Then you can actually go for a theme that matches that website, or a theme that will give you what you want when you talk about the website you want to build. So you can start customizing. But on this video is just all about how to install WordPress on your local host machine. And the local host machine we talked about is LocalWP, which is one of the best and simple local host environment to set up. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time.